Let's begin the second question of the chapter, definite integration. This is the second question. This is very general profile of questions which are asked in JEE Mains and JEE Advanced very frequently. In this particular type of question, the limits are reciprocal, just like 3 and 1 by 3 or 5 or 1 by 5. We will we will see how to do these type of questions in general. In general, a to 1 by a fx dx. This is right. We substitute x is equal to 1 by t to solve it. And with the help of this example, we will see how we substitute x is equal to 1 by t and how it helps to solve this question. Let's start. Yes. Let's see. In this question, there is an integration from 1 by 3 to 3 tan of x square minus 1 by x square by x sine x plus 1 by x dx. We will put x is 1 by t. We will differentiate it. Dx is minus 1 by t square dt. Now I is equal to, limits will be interchanged, 3 to 1 by 3 tan of 1 by t square minus t square dx would be minus 1 by t square dt divided by 1 by t times sine of t plus 1 by t. Now this t would be cancelled by t square, minus we will compensate it by interchanging the limits. Now this I becomes 1 by 3 to 3 tan of 1 by t square minus t square dt divided by t times sine of t plus 1 by t. Now we know that tan of minus x is minus times tan x. We will use this property and our I becomes minus times 1 by 3 to 3 tan of t square minus 1 by t square by t sine t plus 1 by t dt. From here we will apply the variable change property of definite integral and we will convert t into x. Then we will get I is equal to minus times 1 by 3 to 3 tan of x square minus 1 by x square by x sine x plus 1 by x dx. and now I becomes minus times I. 2i is equal to 0 and hence I is equal to 0. So answer to this question is 0. Option D. So this was for this question, and we will bring some more this type of question for you on the chapter definite integration, and also some PDF questions for you to solve also. So do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thank you.